በፊት በጣም ህመም ነበረኝ። ኦፕሬሽን ባረግን በጣም ነው የሚያመኝ። አሁን ግን አርጌ ምንም ህመም የለም፣ ምን የለም፣ ደህና ነኝ። አሁን ተመስገን ነው። ምንም ህመም የለኝም። አሁን ካረኩ መጀመሪያ ነበር በጣም ተሰቃይቼ ነበር መጀመሪያ።
My name is Shalimar Bagh. I am coming from Ethiopia. My mom name is Azeb Gabdayesus. Before 3 years 6 months, she fell down. After visiting another hospital, I came India, but she make surgery in Ethiopia because she have pain. She cannot feel better.
She has a history that she's not been walking since the last 3.5 years. She was in the bed. She had previous around 5-6 surgeries in Ethiopia, where once she broke, then she was operated. The same day the implant failed, then there was infection. The doctor treated the infection, then they fixed it again it failed. Now the end result was that the patient was not walking since the last 3.5 years.
Now she came India. She make surgery, make Dr. Mano. She feel better. She walk after few weeks also. She's fine, no pain. She started walking also.
The patient got in touch with me and they were here. We planned a hip replacement surgery. On surgery, I found out that there was quite deficient bone stock. So we did a revision hip replacement.
After few weeks, she's fine. She's better now.
After 1 month, I have asked the patient to walk. She has started walking after 3.5 years. This is a very happy occasion for the lady and the family who can see their mama walking again.
አመሰግናለሁ መክሰት ሆስፒታል በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። ዶክተር ማኒ በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። ነርሶቹ በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። አስተናጋጆቹ በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። በጣም ስለ ስርዓት ያላቸው ነው። በጣም በደንብ ተስተናግደናል። በጣም እናመሰግናለን።
It was uneventful, no bleeding, no complications, and now today my patient is very happy and she plans to go back to her country in another 1 or 2 weeks after proper physiotherapy.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.